Pride flags, both gay and straight, are now at the center of a lawsuit filed by a parent against Denver Public Schools.
The father of 8-year-old twins is suing the district, claiming its policy to not allow a straight pride flag is discriminatory. Your reporter, Gabriella Vidal, has been following this case closely, shares more on it tonight. Gabby.
Yeah, Karen and Michael, there have been a lot of people in the Denver Public Schools community and here at Slavin School, as well as supporters of the LGBTQIA community who have been vocal against Nathan Feldman's lawsuit against the district, even creating a change.org petition trying to get him to remove the suit. But a local civil rights attorney that we spoke to says that this case may have legs to stand on.
This is not a groundbreaking lawsuit. It's just a controversial lawsuit.
It's a lawsuit that sent shockwaves among the Denver area. A father suing Denver Public Schools for allegedly violating his children's freedom of speech to have a straight pride flag displayed in the K-8 Slavin School.
People are under the mistaken belief that offensive speech or hate speech is not protected speech. The U.S. Supreme Court has said the government doesn't get to choose and decide what is offensive, what is not offensive.
Which is why civil rights attorney David Lane tells us this government-funded school stands a chance at losing against this father's suit.
Much as I may disagree politically with his position, I think First Amendment case law mandates that the school either eliminate LGBTQ flags and all flags of that nature, or they allow him to fly whatever flags he wants. He is absolutely correct that this is a First Amendment violation.
A district policy established back in January 2020 supports the right of employees to post rainbow flags or other signs of support for LGBTQIA students or staff. But Lane argues this policy cannot, under the First Amendment, prohibit other forms of expression.
What's going to happen here is that if Denver loses this lawsuit, which they will, taxpayers are going to be on the hook for paying attorney's fees to these D.C. lawyers who filed the suit.
And multiple requests for comment from Nathan Feldman as well as his legal counsel have still not been returned. And as of today, a district spokesperson tells us that they have not been served with the lawsuit. In Denver, Gabriella Vidal covering Colorado First.
Gabby, thank you.